Tuners, 95 degrees. It is time for another brew tank. This time we're gonna go a little bit crazy. It's that time of year, right? I mean, it's watermelon season, right?
Yeah.
Nothing like a fresh watermelon. That's gonna be the theme of our brew tank today. We'll start with some ice.
And some watermelon vodka.
I'm gonna follow her with 99 proof watermelon. Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at
That's
you.
so sexy. I'm gonna add right behind you again here. I'm gonna add some watermelon berry boom Hawaiian
And I'm
punch.
going Sprite.
Going Sprite, little
Fizzy
fizzy
wizzy.
wizzy. Nice. I think we got it. I think we're gonna come really close when you add the final surprising
I don't think
ingredient.
we're gonna get it all in there.
Just do it. Just do it. If whatever doesn't fit, we drink.
It's too big to go
No,
in
we
there.
all have to drink it immediately if it doesn't fit. Go ahead, add that last ingredient.
Can anybody guess what it is? Watermelon!
Frozen watermelon, been in the freezer now for a week, just waiting to make this drink.
All of them's not going in there.
You ain't got time for that. We're gonna serve it like a punch bowl
I
at a
got
party.
you, I got you. Okay. So,
Oh
Get 'em
my
ready.
gosh. All right, that ought to be enough. That should be enough. Holy cow. We got people coming over to have some already?
no. I mean, maybe. They want to see what's happening.
How damn yummy does that look?
That looks yummy.
Okay, so we have everything but cups, don't we?
Tell us the watermelon curl.
I like
Watermelon
that.
crawl?
I like it.
Woohoo.
If you drink
All
so
right,
good.
we gonna try the watermelon crawl. Aaron named it.
Ah!
That's okay, we gotta get it. We're on a boat. Boats are supposed to get wet. Whoa. You ain't messing around. You ain't got time for that, do you?
I ain't got time for that.
All right, cool. Let's try the watermelon crawl. Aaron, we'll get you some, I promise. Oh my God. That tastes just like I expected it to taste.
That's amazing.
That is unbelievable. Aaron, if you don't mind taking a sip off, but you got to just take a sip of that. I want your opinion on that. Your opinion matters, Aaron.
It tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Oh my God. Yes,
Oh.
that's it right there.
Exactly like a
Is that what we should name it?
That's what we should name it.
Watermelon Jolly Rancher Crawl. Tuners, down below in our bio, you will find everything you need to get all of our pontoon goodies. We'll see you next time.
Be spontaneous.
Time to go share.
Oh, it's all mine.
Oh, what is this, the watermelon crawl?
This is a watermelon crawl.
Turn on the music.
I know, right?
Yeah.
The watermelon crawl.
Got it. Oh my gosh, she's beatboxing.
All right, Grandma, you are so awesome. I love my adopted grandma.
I love my adopted